Yokohama, Japan Travel Guide. Welcome back, travel enthusiasts. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Today, we're diving into the vibrant and historic city of Yokohama, Japan. Let's explore its captivating story together. Yokohama, located just south of Tokyo on Tokyo Bay, is Japan's second-largest city and a bustling port town with a rich history. It opened its port to foreign trade in 1859, playing a pivotal role in Japan's modernization. Today, Yokohama is known for its blend of historic charm and modern innovation. Key attractions include the historic red brick warehouse, the serene Yamashita Park, Japan's largest Chinatown, and the futuristic Minato Mirai 21 district with its towering skyscrapers and vibrant nightlife. Yokohama offers a unique mix of cultural experiences, beautiful landscapes, and culinary delights, making it a must-visit destination for travelers. The history of Yokohama. Yokohama's history is a fascinating tale of transformation, blending traditional Japanese culture with global influences. Before the mid-19th century, it was a small fishing village under the rule of the Tokugawa shogunate. However, this all changed in 1853 when Commodore Matthew Perry of the United States Navy arrived in nearby Edo Bay, demanding Japan open its ports to foreign trade. This event marked the beginning of the end for Japan's isolationist policies. In 1859, Yokohama officially opened its port to international trade, rapidly growing into a bustling hub of commerce and cultural exchange. Foreign traders and diplomats flocked to the city, bringing with them new technologies, ideas, and customs. The Kanai district became the designated foreign settlement, where Western-style buildings and infrastructure began to take shape. Yokohama's strategic location and thriving port made it a gateway for the influx of Western culture into Japan. It was here that Japan saw its first railway, connecting Yokohama to Tokyo in 1872, and its first gas-powered street lamps. The city also became a center for silk exports, further boosting its economic significance. Despite its rapid development, Yokohama faced significant challenges. The Great Kanto earthquake of 1923 devastated the city, causing widespread destruction and loss of life. However, Yokohama's resilient spirit saw it rise from the ashes, rebuilding and modernizing in the following decades. During World War II, Yokohama suffered extensive damage from air raids, but the post-war period marked another phase of recovery and growth. The city embraced modernization, transforming its waterfront areas into vibrant commercial and cultural districts. The construction of the Minato Mirai 21 area in the 1980s and 1990s symbolized Yokohama's forward-looking vision, with its impressive skyline and contemporary attractions. Today, Yokohama stands as a testament to Japan's ability to harmonize tradition and innovation. The city preserves its historical sites, such as the red brick warehouse and the Sankian Garden, while embracing cutting-edge technology and international influences. Yokohama's rich history, diverse culture, and dynamic urban landscape make it a captivating destination for travelers from around the world. Our journey begins at the iconic Yokohama Red Brick Warehouse. These historical buildings, once customs warehouses, have been transformed into a lively cultural complex. Here, you can indulge in delightful shopping, savor delicious cuisine, and enjoy various seasonal events, all while basking in the charm of their red brick facades. It's a place where history and modernity coexist in perfect harmony. A short stroll away, we find ourselves at the breathtaking Yamashita Park, stretching along the waterfront. This serene green space, born from the rubble of the Great Kanto earthquake in 1923, offers stunning views of Yokohama Bay and the majestic Hikawa Maru, a preserved ocean liner that now serves as a floating museum. Yamashita Park is the perfect spot to unwind, take in the sea breeze, and watch the ships come and go. Next, we head to the vibrant Chinatown, the largest in Japan. Here, the air is filled with the tantalizing aromas of Chinese cuisine, and the streets are lined with colorful lanterns and ornate gates. It's a sensory feast that showcases Yokohama's multicultural heritage. Be sure to try some steamed buns and dumplings from the local vendors. They're simply irresistible. Our adventure wouldn't be complete without visiting the futuristic Minato Mirai 21 district. Towering skyscrapers, such as the iconic landmark tower, pierce the skyline, offering panoramic views of the city. The Cup Noodles Museum is a quirky and fun stop, where you can create your own unique instant noodles and learn about the history of this beloved snack. And as the sun sets, the Cosmo Clock 21 Ferris wheel illuminates the night sky, providing a magical view of Yokohama's glittering lights. For those seeking tranquility, Sankian Garden is a hidden gem. This traditional Japanese garden, designed by a wealthy silk trader in the early 20th century, features historical buildings, serene ponds, and seasonal flora. It's a peaceful oasis that transports you back in time, away from the hustle and bustle of the city. Yokohama is a city of contrasts, where tradition and innovation meet, creating a unique tapestry of experiences. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or simply in search of beautiful sights, Yokohama has something to offer. If you enjoyed this journey through Yokohama, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your fellow travelers, and subscribe for more adventures. Until next time, happy travels!